Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. Thank you so much for joining me again today as we are about to discuss the local market update for February of 2021 for Wood County Southeast. That is MLS Area 57, which includes everything south of US 6 and east of State Route 25 in Wood County. Let's begin. So, looking at February 2021 versus February 2020, we're seeing that we're getting a little bit less new listings than we did the year prior. It's not as drastic as some other parts of Wood County, but it's still enough to feel a little bit of heat. And because of this, we're also seeing pending sales decrease because there's just not enough inventory to support it. Closed sales, however, have remained flat, and the days on market have just plummeted. Typically what this means, folks, is at 48 days, houses, when they hit the market, they sell typically within the first day. Now, something that can be deceiving is the median sale price and the average sale price. This does not mean that the market is tanking. This means that the type of housing that has been selling in southeast Wood County has been mostly bank-owned properties and or tax sales, something that may not have been habitable. That was a cash sale, typically $32,000 for a median or $37,000 for a average, would indicate that there's at least 2 to 3 out of the 6 sales that happen here probably were some sort of a non-arm's length transaction. But even with that being said, we still are sitting on a way low supply of inventory. We're only sitting at 1.2 months. We should really be looking at 4 to 6 months to be at equilibrium. And what that means for everybody watching is this number here. This is, if you follow the trend for the blue line, what this is telling us is that we're in a very healthy seller's market for Wood County Southeast. We're almost at the point where we're converging on the total MLS area, so that's all the counties in Northwest Ohio. There was one point in 2014 where the sales exceeded what was happening in all of the counties in Northwest Ohio. So if you're a seller, if you've been curious about what your home could be worth, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to go over more exact numbers with you. And if you're a buyer, please don't wait to take advantage of these low interest rates. I know a lot of people think right now that they're just going to wait this market out and it's going to get better. Well, I don't want to burst your bubble, but this is kind of the new normal. I don't project that we will see much of a change in terms of overall housing value. It's typical for real estate to appreciate. As you can see in this trend over the past 10 years, we are seeing nothing but increases. There are times where you're going to see dips in the market, and that's normal. But these dips usually are not enough to justify paying a higher interest rate. So if we can find you the right home for the right price at the right interest rate today, it could be more beneficial than you waiting and till tomorrow and not being certain of what that would mean. Uncertainty is not a good way to make prudent and educated decisions. So give me a call if you have specific questions. I have a team of specialists that have helped buyers get into the home of their dreams at the absolute best price possible. Folks, it's been an absolute pleasure. I thank you for joining me today. This has been Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG. If you like the material that you've seen today, if you would like to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future installments of our market report updates. Thanks so much again for watching, and I look forward to working with you soon. This is Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. You make this the best day yet.